This highly addictive RPG game called Hytale can now be hosted on your own server. Now, I'm going to show you on this video how to do it right now. So this is Hytale. It's a super cool game that you can start playing right now. And if you want to host it, I'm going to show you how to do it on the Hostinger gaming panel. Now you can grab this right now for a really affordable price. So I'm going to show you how to install Hytale on one of these servers. First thing you need to do is select one of the hosting plans for the game panel. Now in this case, I'm going to recommend to you the most popular plan, which is the game panel 2. This has really great limits for what you are going to need. Plus, it's a great fit for high panel. So I'm going to choose this plan because I'm going to show you how to apply a coupon code to reduce the price even more. Now, the first thing you need to do is select the amount of months you want to pay in advance. I recommend selecting 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price, and you'll be good to go for 2 years. Now, let's go ahead and jump into my Hostinger panel to show you how to install this. Now, in your main panel here on Hostinger, go ahead and jump into the BPS, and you're going to view your game panel. In this case, I have the panel 2, which is the plan, and I'm going to start the setup to install Hytale. So let's go ahead and start the setup right now. Here we go. The first thing you need to do is select the location where you want to install your server. Please install it where you have the most players that are going to play. So for example, in this case, if they're going to be in Europe, go ahead and select United Kingdom, France, Germany, etc. If the most amount of players are going to be in the United States, go ahead and select the United States. In this case, I'm going to select the closest one to me, which is United States Phoenix. Let's hit next. I'm going to set a password to my panel. And in a few minutes, I should have the game panel for me to give me the option to install Hytale. So let's give it a few minutes. And here we go. Our gaming panel is now ready. So let's go ahead and jump over to our game panel. Now we can create a brand new instance, and this is where we're going to install the Hytale game. So let's create a brand new instance. Let's select the application. So let's go ahead and jump into Hytale. Here it is. Go ahead and select this one. Name your new instance. In this case, I'm going to name it Hytale MX. All right. And then we have start instance on boot, which is always a good idea. And then update and start always, or do nothing. In this case, I'm going to do start always. So this is quicker. Let's go ahead and create the instance, and it should take a few minutes for it to get installed. It doesn't take long. So let's give it a few minutes. Here we go. It is now being installed. You can see here it's right now in idle, updating, and we should be able to get started for the next setup process, which is connecting Hytale with the server. Okay, so here we go, waiting for user input. Let's go into our instance, and it's going to go through the update process. It's going to ask us to connect with the Hytale server to identify. Here it is, server login required. Let's continue to the auth account Hytale. Here we go. I'm already logged in. I've already created an account. If you haven't done so, go ahead and create an account on Hytale. Authorize. Here we go, and we are good to go. I can now close this window, and we are now authorized with Hytale to be used on this specific server. Now let's go ahead and start. Wait for the update to be finished, and we should now be able to manage the Hytale settings for us to start the gaming server and going through the whole process. There's a configuration option here for all the details for Hytale. For example, you'll find the options right here that you'll need to go through with calm depending on your server needs. But it's really easy to kick off your gaming server right now here on Hostinger. So what are you waiting for? Grab your plan and install Hytale right now so you can start your own gaming server of Hytale. And that is a wrap for the installation.